Fergus integrates with Rexel, Ideal Australia, John R. Turk, and Lear Smith to eliminate double handling and make your workflow seamless. Today, we'll run through an overview of what the integration entails and how to set it up. We'll use John R. Turk as an example, but note that the setup is identical if you're integrating with Rexel, Ideal Australia, and Lear Smith. The integration between Fergus and Rexel Group supports both automatic price books and invoices. This means your price book will automatically update in Fergus without you needing to lift a finger, and invoices from Rexel Group will automatically appear in Fergus as well. To begin, we'll need to turn on the integration. In Fergus, head to Settings under the profile icon in the top right. In the left-hand Settings menu, select Integration Center. Find your supplier in the list of options here and click on them. Now, just click Enable in the center of the screen. Enabling the integration creates a unique email address that you can share with your supplier. When they send invoices or pricebook files to the provided email address, the integration will automatically capture and add them to your Fergus account. Note, this same email should be used for both invoices and price files. Each supplier will have their own unique email address in Fergus, so make sure you're using the email specifically within their integration settings. For example, if I was setting up Lear Smith as well, I'd need to jump out of John R. Turk and find their integration instead to continue with them. Copy their unique email address. Now, it's time to head to your supplier's portal and log in. Once logged in, head to My Account on the right. Then scroll down and select Document Request on the left-hand side under Download Center. Click Schedule Request and select the document type. Let's set up invoices first. Under File Type, select Fergus. Then, select the frequency for invoices to send to Fergus. We recommend daily. Paste your unique Fergus email into the email section. Finally, click the Schedule button at the bottom to submit. Now, let's look at setting up automatic price files. Choose Price File as the document type instead this time. Select Fergus under File Type. Adjust the frequency and select the product range to be included in the price file. Again, paste the unique Fergus email into the email section and hit Schedule when ready. And that's all there is to it. Now, you'll begin receiving invoices and price files automatically from your supplier to Fergus. A final note that this process works for all of Rexel Group, so if you're using a few of these suppliers, be sure to log into each portal and repeat the process.